Welcome to the new video. In this video, we are going to design a horizontal web card. While designing this web card, we are able to learn few things like responsiveness with auto layout, right? We are able to learn spacing with, with the help of padding and margin, right? So without wasting much time, let's get started, right? I have developed designed this content over here, right? With this help of this content, we are going to design that part, right? So let's first make a frame here, right? I'm pressing F here, right? Keep the proper desired width and height. I'm taking width 700 and height to 300, right? Then I will be taking some layout grids here, right? We want some columns, right? We want some few columns like 10, right? Okay, fine. So this layout grid will be helping us to differentiate the spacing where we need, right? So first I'm taking this image here, right here, giving some space from the left side. Okay, so image seems to be fine here, no need to do anything here. Okay, then we can take these things right here and can place right here. Okay, now what we have to do is this name here, the font size should to be increased, right? I'm changing from 20 to 25. Okay, and also changing the typography from Inter to Roboto. Okay, it's not been changed. Let's quickly do from here. Okay, now it's changed. So here is the name. So I'm bringing here right here from giving the proper margin from the top, right? Okay, then this line also need to be changed, right? So what I need to do is I'm changing the font size from 18 to 615. Okay, and from medium to I guess medium is fine, so let it be. Then this expert should be from the after this center, right, from here, and it's regular. I'm changing from 18 to 14, right? I guess should change the to medium. I guess a regular is fine, or think medium. Okay, let it be regular, then fine, right? Now we need to arrange these buttons and these other things, right? What I do, I'm selecting the other component for, right? Okay, they are here. So the first thing I will do here is change the font size of these things from 16 to regular 14. Okay, I will not change the font here. So what I do is changing from Inter to Roboto. Okay, change. Okay, it's fine. So now changing from 125, the width should be changed right here. So all are different. So from 125 to 100, right? And from 130 to also 105, I guess. Perfect. And this as well from 130 to 105. Okay, now it's time for the height of these rectangles. So let's make straight. Okay, from 40 to 30 will be fine. Now align these things from the center of these boxes. Perfect. So need to change the now it's time for the auto layout. Right click and we can select auto layout, or else we can use shift A as well, right? So it's been auto layout. Same for the next. So your auto layout has been fine. Again, managing the spacing in between. So here all have the 10 padding in between of 10, right? Margin is 11. We see here we can adjust the margin in between to 10, round figure it. So, perfect. Now for the next thing, coming again. So same here, we are decreasing the font size of these things to regular 14, right? And changing the typography, the font from Enter to Roboto, right? And again, the height of the rectangle from the 40 to 35, because these are the buttons, and we need to be more specific about it. 35. So here, right? And same here for about keeping the auto layout. So I'm using the add auto layout, and it's been into the center by default. Same for this add layout, and by default it's been right all side from the left side 10, and from upper bottom 9. The padding is there, right? For now, for this we are arranging this button from this, or sorry, right? This should be much more padding from there. So it's time. Okay, fine. Looks good. So now we don't want this auto layout. Oh, sorry, this grid. So I'm hiding it. Right. Now it's time for we have done with the auto add auto layout and the spacing. It's time for the visual hierarchy now, right? So we can see here image, right? So we don't need to add some thing to this image, right? Or as we can do is we can uh, draw a circle here, right? We can adjust the width and height dimension of this thing, right? And we can fill this to the gradient. We can use from the radial, and we can select some colors. We can use color like purple, and save here color, right? Okay, fine. Now the next okay what we can do is we can reduce the opacity, and was after getting some effect here, layer background, layer blur, right? Or background blur can use and keep the blur to 100. Oh no, it's not that one. Yes, I want this one. Okay, so we can use this one and set this radial and send backward, and we can check that effect. Sorry, that this for this radial we have to increase decrease the radial blur to 70, I guess. Should be visible, much more visible, like 50 will be fine, right? Okay, fine. So if I come here and sorry, it should be like this should be like I'm giving 200 to 200, so it should be bigger, much bigger. We want it. So here set, and we can adjust this image right back here. Perfect. And so it's time for the which again for the text one. So we don't need to do anything right here for these name. We can do one thing here. So because it's a visual hierarchy, so the impact should be on the name first, then for this position one, right? So we can reduce the opacity of the black one. We can change this, right, a little lower to a little grayish thing right here. Okay. So again, making an impact here. Same for this. Taking the same font colors code for this here as well. Perfect. And now for these rect boxes, I'm changing a little bit lighter shade. Okay, fine. Copying this code for the other boxes. Okay, fine. Okay, now for this one, So here there are two buttons. Yes, this is the button one, this is the button two. So the main focus is CTA, right? So this is a main CTA, so it should be more likely to be clickable and more focusable, right? So what we do is we are about to change the color to the what we want is here, right? We can do little light for this. This is the color we want. Okay. Now this black is not suitable for this, right? So I'm changing the fill text fill from the black to the white, and I'm changing from regular to the medium, right? So it will be more focusable. Same for this here, we don't need, but what we do is we can give a stroke here and remove the fill, and we don't need to give the change the font, right? Okay. So right here after this card designing, you're able to understand about the auto layout things here. Thanks for watching this. Hope you guys like and learn something about new. We'll meet up soon, right? And thanks for my subscribers. It's a small amount, but means a lot for me. 104 new subscriber. Thank you for being my family. Hope you guys like this video, and it please like and comment whatever you feel like to say about the video, how I made the content, what needs to be improved. Please give me suggestions. I like suggestions. And please subscribe, put on the notification bell icon. Okay, see you sooner. Till night, have a good life ahead. Right? Thank you.